What if a full-powered PC could fit in the palm of your hand? Tech giant Lenovo is betting big on that idea with its latest release, the Yoga AI Mini, a compact desktop designed not just for performance, but for the future of AI-powered computing. And right away, it stands out. Instead of the usual boxy design, Lenovo goes for something completely different, a cylindrical form factor finished in a soft shell-like color. It's minimal, modern, and surprisingly elegant. But what really makes this device impressive is its size. Weighing just 600 grams with a volume of around 0.65 liters. This is a PC you can literally place anywhere on your desk, or even carry around with ease. Now, small doesn't mean weak. Inside, the Yoga AI Mini is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 5 325 processor, featuring 8 cores and 8 threads. It's paired with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,533 megatransfers per second and a 512 gigabyte PCIe 4.0 SSD. That combination delivers solid performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even AI-related workloads. But performance in a compact body raises one big question: cooling. To handle that, Lenovo integrates a turbofan cooling system designed to maintain stable performance even under pressure. Connectivity is another strong point. On the side, you get a Thunderbolt 4 port and a standard 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back, there's a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI, USB-C, another Thunderbolt 4, and a USB power delivery charging port. So despite its size, it's fully equipped for modern setups, whether for work, content creation, or productivity. But here's where things get interesting. The Yoga AI Mini runs on Ding OS AI, a native operating system built to integrate artificial intelligence features right out of the box. The goal? A plug-and-play experience where AI tools are ready to go, no complex setup required, and then there's the price. The device is listed at around $760, positioning it as a premium but still relatively accessible option in the mini PC market. So what's the takeaway? The Lenovo Yoga AI Mini isn't trying to replace traditional desktops. Instead, it represents a shift. The device is listed at around $760, positioning it as a premium but still relatively accessible option in the mini PC market. So what's the takeaway? The Lenovo Yoga AI Mini isn't trying to replace traditional desktops. Instead, it represents a shift. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.